Hey folks, today we're going to be reviewing a 9mm Hipoint. Now this gun is only about $179 right now. This is the brand new 2018, the year 2018, 9mm. It's called the C9, the Hipoint C9. And so we're going to be reviewing this. I've already taken it to the range. I'm going to put some video footage right here below this video in the video description if you want to see it firing at the range. This thing is awesome. So let's show it to you here. Here it is right here. Now they have like a 380 version. If you're going to put 380 rounds through it, notice this one here says 9mm. I like the 9mm better because notice it's all black. The 380 one has like a silver piece of metal down the side. And this is a nice looking gun. I actually like it. And notice you have everything can be done on the right hand side here, or I should say when you're holding it, it'll be on your left hand side. But what I mean is on the right of the gun here, you have the safety. Look at one finger safety. And then of course the magazine drop. And see if I can do that. I could almost do that with one hand, but we're not going to be able to do it. So you know, we went to the range. I fired literally like probably 100 rounds through this, and none of them jammed. So it is awesome. You basically want to show you something. Let's see if I can set this down. So what you do is you pull this back right here. So you notice we have it on safety, but you pull this back. You're going to put the magazine in it, fully loaded like that. And then you're going to pull this back, and don't hold it upside down, of course, but when you pull it back, you'll see the round right there, and then you go like that. So you basically pull it back, let go, it'll spring back into action, and then you could fire it. And then to put on safety, just one thumb does it. It feels good in your hand. It's ergonomic. Notice, there it goes now, it drops out. One hand drops out the clip. You could also get a clip that holds more rounds. Check out the sights. As we look down the sights here, let's see if I could show you. So the sights are really good to look at. Some people will put like a laser on this and you don't even have to aim. You just point and shoot. So I really like it. It's a great pistol. It feels great in your hand. It's ergonomic. Now when you fire it, this will come back each time you fire it. You just saw how I pulled it back. So you want to make sure when you're holding it, you keep your hand out of that area. But click right below this video to see it. I would say this is the best $179 pistol that you can get. 9mm. It really is powerful. I like it. Out of 5 stars being the highest rating, I would rate it a 5-star. We have no problem with it, you know, giving us problems with the ammo. You want to make sure when you're using the ammo, I've heard some people say use the ones with the rounder bullet, not the pointier ones. I don't know if there's any truth to that, but that's the type that we're using. So click right below this video and you can actually see us firing it at the range. All right, good headshot right there, close to it. expended the rounds, it looks like this. You can see there's no rounds in there. And we just fired off some rounds. It didn't jam. Let's look at how we did. So I was doing it one-handed, too accurate. I'm getting down here, so we're going to do some more rounds, and we're going to do it with. All right, we're going to use both hands. We're going for headshot. Okay, so not bad. Look, it's getting around this area. Of course, it's a very little head. It's not an actual size head. So let's do it again. I think I'm getting the hang of it. Okay, we have 5 rounds in here. We're going to do 5 rounds.
Oh, you can go first.
If you want. Right here.
Oh, okay.
Once you get used to it, it is really fast.
I did miss one.
Oh, that's you.
Yeah, I missed one.
My youngest.
That was. Yeah.
I need to invest in one of those.
So 2 went there. Why I missed one? Maybe I missed one.
All right, what do you want to try first? You want to have it shut for a while? Oh, I probably need to get
So what I do like about it is after it's done expending rounds, this will slide back and you could actually verify that there's no rounds in there. On the hand, you could remove the clip, the empty clip here. So it's pretty good.
Yeah, I do that.
Okay, look at that. Because I'm getting the hang of it. Got some here, one right here. So now what we're going to do, we're going to get out the 5.56 rifle. Now, the last time we tried this little EOTech style sight, it actually looked really good. So notice we did the face because we're going to go for a headshot. And I'm going to turn this and show you how it works.
Yeah, that's not gonna work.
I don't know if you can see. Let's see. I'm going to put the... Okay, so remember with this, we're going to go with the head. Looks like it's pulling to the right, so what we're going to do is we're going to adjust it. Do you have it on safety?
Push this down with your thumb. Reload it. Keep your finger off the trigger, onto the side.